Hi guys, namaste, namaskara, vanakkam. So for CA Intermediate 2025 examinations, costing paper is already done. The next biggest paper is auditing. Boss, auditing is such a paper, be it at inter level or final level. It is either a maker or breaker of attempt, boss. It is very crucial paper. You need to be very cautious while going for this examination, especially. So I have come up with a few examination tips, especially for audit paper. Though I don't deal in audit coaching, I only teach direct tax. But looking back at my examination journey, I know the importance of audit paper. So I thought I'll just quickly give some tips or throw some light on those areas which you need to really focus before going to your examination tomorrow. The first thing is I have listed out few important topics which you need to really focus on. The first topic is standards on auditing, boss. See, let me tell you one thing. Like in accounts paper, accounting standards are very important. Likewise, for audit paper, standards on auditing is also very important. Without standards on auditing preparation, you cannot imagine going to examination hall. Trust me on this. More than 60% of the audit paper is structured on and around the standards on auditing concepts. So without standards on auditing, I don't think you should be going to examination hall. I have listed down few important standards on auditing as well, like 200, you have 210, 230, 240, 500, 505 and 520. At least these standards you need to revise before going to your examination hall. The next important topic is company audit, guys. It is very crucial and also a highly scoring topic. Company audit, when I say, you can revise a Caro and audit report and also a director's report for that matter. So at least these are the topics which you need to revise before going to examination. The next thing is audit of items of financial statements. It is frequently asked in examination, guys. So you cannot skip revising this topic before going to examination. The last one is special audits. A lot of students tend to skip these special audits topics, which are very small topics, but easily you can score marks in these topics. So I would highly recommend revising special audits like bank audits or insurance audits before going to examination. And these are easily scoring topics, so you should definitely keep them in your radar. Now, whatever I have spoken, those that was relating to the topics which you need to focus. Now, I'll be discussing about a few things which you need to keep in mind. You need to be prepared while you are actually appearing for your audit paper. The first thing is, boss, language is very important. Let me tell you one thing: maximum students don't clear audit paper not because they don't know the subject, they don't know the concept. Lot of students don't clear audit paper, especially because the language is not up to the mark. When I say language, the examiner expects the ICI study material language. Guys, there are a lot of author books available in the market, but the best book for audit paper is ICI study material. Whatever key terms, key phrases are used in the ICI study material, guys, you need to reflect the same language in your examination paper. So you cannot expect good marks in audit paper, guys. So technical terms are very important. That too with ICA style language you need to use in your paper. The next important tip I would like to give for the examination is use bullet points. When you write in paragraphs, it is very difficult for the examiner to find the exact, required terms or phrases from the paragraph. Rather, you put it in a beautiful manner in a bullet point so that it is eye catchy. The examiner need not, find or need not take the effort to find the right answer. So if it is in a bullet point and keeping or highlighting the important terms would really help for the examiner also. When you do the examiner's job, evaluator's job easily, he is in a comfortable position and you can expect good marks. So draw flow charts wherever required. If there is a question which is asking for, pros and cons or, benefits or non-benefits, these kind of comparative kind of questions where you can come up with a table, a beautiful table or, flow charts, these kind of things you can creatively think and write your, present your answer in a more, more beautiful manner. So highlight keywords wherever, of course, when you are writing, answer relating to a standards on auditing or something, you can highlight the key terms which are used in the ICA study material. So it is catchy for the evaluator, and you can expect more score. So last thing I would say is watch some revision videos. Though I don't have any revision videos on my YouTube channel, but there are plenty of audit revision videos available. So if you are not comfortable with one of the one particular topic of audit, you can just go to revision videos, watch it, guys. Really, finally, let me tell you one thing: audit is really a maker or breaker. This audit paper has ruined a lot of students' life and also have made a lot of chartered accountants, guys. Other papers, it is manageable to score, the border 40 marks, but this is a paper which is not so easy to score 40. So you need to keep in mind these points. You can easily score 50 if you just focus and strategize how to get 50 plus in your audit paper. Never aim for just 40 marks in audit paper. You will end up with 35s or 36 or something like that. So your aim should always be around 50s and 60s in even in audit paper, guys. I hope this video is really helpful. If you need any kind of guidance once you are done with your examination, you would be definitely requiring guidance for your interview preparations. Let me tell you one thing: I have cracked big four interviews. I have worked with big four in the past in the corporate tax field. So I will help you, I will guide you on my own Tax Thalaiva YouTube channel to how to prepare for interviews for your articleship. And if you're looking for CA final tax content or CMA final direct tax content, then this is the right channel for you. I'll be uploading a lot of direct tax related content on this Tax Thalaiva channel itself. So all the best for your examinations. Tax audit paper is very, very crucial, guys. Do give really, really importance to this paper. So I'll take your leave. Take care. Bye bye.